quality as a responsibility and service as an attitude. GS Housing is a large-scale modern enterprise integrating professional design, manufacturing, sales, and construction. With its craftsmanship spirit, it continuously pursues convenient and efficient product quality. Over the past 20 years, GS Housing has grown from scratch, striving excellence, registered in 2001 with a registered capital of 100 million RMB. It has an annual output value of over 2 billion RMB and owns multiple invention patents. Years of innovation and hard work have made GS Housing a leading figure in the industry. Supporting the operation of this massive system are 5 factories of GS Housing: the Guangdong Foshan Camp Factory, the Guangdong Foshan MIC Factory, the Tianjin Baodi Factory, the Jiangsu Changzhou Factory, and the Sichuan Ziyang Factory. Each factory is equipped with independent cold bending, forming workshops, automatic colored plate production workshop, spraying workshops, and general assembling workshop. The development of products is never achieved overnight. GS Housing has specially established a modular house design institute to ensure the provision of safe, environmentally friendly, smart and comfortable building combination spaces. Here, GS Housing has launched a new type of green building, the packaged container house. It takes standard containers as the basic unit and can be freely and diversely combined in the horizontal or vertical manner. Like building blocks, the spatial layout is flexible and the functions are prefabricated, which realizes the diversification of usage functions. It is suitable for use as engineering camp houses, military camp houses, disaster relief settlement houses, municipal temporary houses, public utility houses, such as schools and hospitals, etc. In addition, GS Housing has also developed products such as bionic log cabins, triangular houses, space capsules, Cat Geek KTV, mobile food trucks, and customized container. Through cultural empowerment of commercial street renovations and camp projects, GS Housing creates immersive consumption scenarios and sustainable outdoor experiences, continuously bringing new value-added services to customers. Dozens of space capsule products of GS Housing have been exported to over 40 countries around the world. According to the demands of customers, they have been continuously creating landmark cultural tourism projects in various countries in different application scenarios, such as mountaintops, farmlands, lakesides, and urban blocks, which have received unanimous praise from customers. Based on years of research and theory, GS Housing has classified the materials needed for camp construction into 9 major system products, allowing customers to purchase camp construction materials as easily as ordering in a restaurant. In addition to this, GS Housing provides professional design for various types of houses, overall planning for camps, multimodal transportation by sea and land, on-site installation, guidance, etc. While constantly refining and improving its craftsmanship, GS Housing has also developed new products such as mushroom-shaped cloud warehouses and expansion boxes. Now GS Housing has 9 subsidiaries in China, almost 100 agents abroad, and 3 overseas sales centers. The overseas sales centers were located in Dubai, Pakistan, Russia. Products sell well in many countries and regions so as to embark on the road of diversified development. GS Housing established a long-term cooperation with many central enterprises with its excellent product quality, exquisite craftsmanship, and considerate service. Hope to create a win-win cooperation with you.